Okay, you want to blur the face of this owl because it's pretty scary, or a pretty bird. I mean, let's go to color tab over here and move over here to the window, and you can choose linear, circle, polygon, and so on. I will choose the circle, position this on the head of the owl like this, and you can do this if you want to track it. Select this tracker, move it to the beginning and click this track forward, and it will track the video. Okay, now let's move on to the blur, the next tab over here. Let's move this back, just increase this radius so the face is blurred. If I click play, the face is blurred and it follows the face of this owl. And this is it, how to blur faces, blur parts of the video in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.